Open on a crisp, bright morning. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air. Picture this, the warm, soft, buttery goodness of homemade naan right in your kitchen. A culinary journey from the heart of South Asia to your dining table. A delicacy that's easier to create than you might think. Imagine the magic of transforming simple ingredients, flour, yeast, sugar, salt, oil, and yogurt into a melt-in-your-mouth delight. Let's dive into the fascinating process of making naan at home. Step 1. Mix together 2 teaspoons of dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in half a cup of warm water. Leave this concoction aside for about 10 minutes until it's frothy. This action activates the yeast, a key player in our naan-making adventure. Step 2 involves combining 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1½ teaspoons of salt in a large bowl. Make a well in the middle and pour in the yeast mixture, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and ¼ cup of yogurt. Mix these ingredients together, forming a soft dough. Now, it's time for a little workout. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 10 minutes. The result should be a smooth and elastic dough. Place your masterpiece in a greased bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rest for a couple of hours. This resting period allows the dough to rise and double in size. Once the dough has risen, it's time for the fun part. Divide the dough into 8 equal parts and roll each one into a ball. Flatten each ball with your hands, stretching it into a teardrop shape. Start heating up a skillet over medium heat. Brush each side of your naan with melted butter and place it on the skillet. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden brown and bubbly. And voila, you've crafted your homemade naan. To sum it up, making naan at home involves activating yeast, combining ingredients to form a dough, kneading and resting the dough, shaping and cooking your naan. With these steps, you can bring a piece of South Asia into your kitchen and enjoy the warm, buttery bliss of homemade naan anytime you desire. So why wait? Unleash your inner chef and embark on this culinary adventure. Because nothing beats the joy of making and sharing delicious food right in the comfort of your home.